If you are looking to start a business with $0 in 2025, this video is for you. We are diving into 8 real actionable business ideas that can help you make money with no upfront investment. I am not talking about some get-rich-quick scam or worse, selling you an online course. We are not doing that here. These are legitimate, realistic ideas that you can take, implement today, and start making money right away. I am not going to sugarcoat it either. These ideas work, but they take time, effort, and consistency. But if you put in the work, trust me, it's gonna pay off in 2025. So grab a coffee or a tea or whatever keeps you awake, and let's get into it. By the end of this video, you have at least one business idea you can start today. I promise you that. Let's kick things off with something that is pretty underrated in today's social media's world. Becoming a social media producer. No, I'm not talking about running your own Instagram account, trying to be the next TikTok star. Instead, I am talking about being the behind-the-scene mastermind. You see, social media influencers are everywhere. It seems like everyone is trying to get in front of the camera these days, right? But guess what? Not everyone wants to be the face of the brand. They might be great at what they do, but they are just not comfortable on camera. So here is where you come in. You could partner with influencers, especially micro-influencers, to help them grow. I mean, you can easily get started without being on camera yourself. Here is what it looks like. You are managing all the logistics for influencers or podcasts. You do the work that most people don't want to do. Editing videos, creating content, managing bookings for podcasts, or organizing guest appearance. In exchange, you earn a percentage of their income, usually 15 to 35%. You could also charge a flat fee if you are confident in your skills. Say $500 per month to manage their social media, get them brand deals, and help grow their following. The cash. You don't need a huge social media following to succeed here. You can find smaller influencers or podcasts that are just getting started but have potential. You will grow with them and help them succeed. It's a win-win. Yes. And you make money without being in front of the camera. And listen, if you are not sure where to start, you can call DM or email people who are trying to grow their platform but don't have the time or energy to manage all the content creation themselves. This business model is often overlooked, but there's a huge potential. If you want more info on how to build this business, let me know. I can make a deep dive into this concept for you. There's a lot of hidden opportunities in this, especially in 2025. Now, let's talk about something that's been around for ages, but still one of the most in-demand and profitable skills today: digital advertising. Whether it's Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Instagram Ads, or TikTok Ads, business of all sizes are always on the lookout for experts who can help them reach their target audience and drive sales. And this isn't a trend that is going away anytime soon. In fact, as we are in 2025, digital advertising is going to be even more important. Here is the thing: most business owners are pretty clueless when it comes to running effective ads. Sure, they know they need ads, but they have no idea how to target the right people, how to write effective copy, or how to optimize ads to get the best return on investment. They end up throwing money at campaigns that just don't work. And that is where you come in. So how does it all work? Let me break it down for you. Learn the skill. Running ads may sound boring to some of you, but trust me, this skill is highly valuable, and the best part, you can learn it for free. There are so many tutorials online, YouTube, blogs, free courses that will help you get up to speed quickly. It's actually easier than you think to learn the ropes of ad platforms like Google, Facebook, and TikTok. It may take some time to master the nuances of each platform, but once you do, The opportunities are endless. Find clients. Once you have learned the basics, you can start offering your services to local businesses or small e-commerce stores. Your job is to help them optimize their ads so they start seeing real results. Sales, leads, or traffic, whatever their goal may be, if you know how to create compelling ads and target the right audience, you will become an invaluable asset to these business owners. The better you get, the more you can charge, and the more clients you can land. Revenue model. Now, here is the best part about running ads for clients. You don't need a ton of clients to make good money. Seriously, you can have just a few solid clients and make a really great income. $1,000 per month per client is a reasonable starting point, and as you grow your expertise, you can charge more. Some clients may even pay you more if they see your value. And if you get really good at scaling ads, you find that it's an easy way to make consistent income, no upfront investment. Finally, there is one huge advantage to starting this kind of business. You don't need a large budget or huge upfront costs. You just need your time and effort. Once you learn how to run ads, you can easily start offering your services to clients right away. So if you have got some free time and a willingness to learn, you can start earning with this skill. 3. Grant writing. Unlock free money for others. Alright, let's dive into something that isn't often discussed but can be incredibly lucrative. Grant writing. This is an opportunity where you can help businesses, non-profits, or even individuals apply for grants. And believe me, there's a ton of free money out there waiting to be accessed. The government, along with private organizations, is always handling grants for various purposes, but most people have no clue how to access it. You might be thinking, Richard, how is this a business? Isn't this something that's just for non-profits or big organizations? Well, I am here to tell you, it's a business that could bring you a solid income. And here is how. The setup. There's an overwhelming amount of free money available, but it's not as easy to get it as you might think. Grants are offered for specific projects, whether it's for environmental work, public health initiatives, education, or community development. The problem is that most people don't know how to write the right proposal to secure these funds, and that is where you can step in. The conflict. This is where the opportunities lies. Businesses, individuals, or organizations often miss out on millions of dollars because they don't know the grant application process. They may be eligible for grants but don't understand how to put together a winning proposal. That is your chance to help them. The demand for professional grant writers is high, and this niche skills is still underutilized by many. How it works: you can either charge a flat fee to write these proposals, or you can take a percentage of the grant money once the funds are secured. For example, if a client wins a $50,000 grant, you could take 10% as your commission. The key here is that you are helping others access funds that they might otherwise never have had the chance to obtain. Why is it lucrative? Grant writing is specialized skill that not many people are tapping into, which makes it an incredible lucrative opportunity for anyone willing to learn the craft. Also, the best part is this: it's free money. Who doesn't love that? And if you are already a skill writer or have experience with paperwork and proposals, this is the perfect business for you to jump into in 2025. In conclusion, grant writing is an untapped goldmine, with so many businesses and organizations needing these services and no upfront cost. It's a perfect side hustle or full-time business. If you are looking for a unique, profitable niche, grant writing should be at the top of your list. Before we continue, if you are enjoying this idea so far, don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Hit that button below and join the conversation. I've got a ton of more content coming your way, and I don't want you to miss out. The easiest ways to make money online now. Now, let's talk about affiliate marketing. If you have spent any time on the internet, you have probably heard of it. But here is the twist: TikTok Shop. This platform is taking over, and if you are not using it to make money, you are missing out. TikTok isn't just for viral dances or funny memes. It's now a gold mine for creators and marketers alike. The setup: TikTok is evolving, and it's become a place where people aren't just sharing entertaining content. They are also selling products directly through TikTok Shop. Whether it's gadgets, skincare products, or even home decor, creators are making serious money by promoting products they already love. The best part: you don't need to be on camera to get started. If you are camera shy, don't worry, you can still take advantage of this opportunity and build a profitable business from behind the scenes. The conflict: there is no shortage of affiliate marketers out there. But here is the key difference with TikTok. You don't need a massive following or to be a TikTok star to make money. The beauty of TikTok is that it's all about engagement and authenticity, not just follower counts. You can promote products by simply creating engaging content that aligns with your personal interests or audience needs. Whether it's a product review or a tutorial or a simple recommendation, you can share your affiliate link and earn commissions when people click and make purchases. How it works: the process is simple. Find products you genuinely like or are passionate about. Whether it's gadgets, beauty products, supplements, or anything that fits your niche. Once you have a product, you can create content around it and share your affiliate link. When someone clicks that link and buys the product, you earn a commission. There's no inventory to manage, no upfront costs, and no need to deal with customer service. It's just easy, passive income. Why is it lucrative? TikTok is still growing, and the affiliate marketing potential here is massive. If you tap into the right niches like fitness, beauty, or tech, you can earn significant commissions. The best part: you are not limited to just one product or category. You can continuously promote new products. Finding those high demand and high commission payouts is one of the easiest ways to make money online in 2025 with minimal effort. Alright, here is one that may sound a bit old school, but hear me out. Buying land is one of the best ways to earn passive income, and there is no sign of this trend slowing down anytime soon. Land has always been valuable, and in 2025, is still one of the most reliable long-term investments you can make. The setup: land is versatile, and the potential ways to generate income from it are nearly endless. Whether you want to use it for parking, timber harvesting, solar power projects, or even farming, you can find a way to profit. The best part: you don't need to do all the work yourself. You can lease it, sell it, or just let it appreciate over time. The conflict: yes, land can be expensive in some areas, but here is the thing: land doesn't have to be expensive everywhere. There are still affordable plots available, especially in up and coming areas of rural locations. It's all about knowing where to look and finding growing markets where land is likely to appreciate in value. You don't need huge upfront investment to get started, but location is key. How it works: the process is simple. Buy land in an area that's developing or experiencing growth. Once you have the land, you can start earning by renting it out, e.g. for parking, hunting, or even events. Harvesting timber or leasing it for agriculture. As the land appreciates, you can sell it for a profit. Why is lucrative? Land is the ultimate passive income. Once you have made the purchase, it's low maintenance and practically runs itself. This is a long-term plan you invest on and then reap the rewards with minimal effort. If you have got away with words, freelance writing could be the perfect business for you to start in 2025. Whether it's writing blogs, website copy, social media content, or product descriptions, businesses are always in need of talented writers to help them engage in their audience and boost their online presence. This is one of those businesses that requires zero investment to get started, just your time, skills, and internet connection. If you have a passion for writing or a knack for crafting compelling content, the opportunities are endless. The best part about freelancing writing is that it's incredibly easy to find clients. Websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer connect you with businesses actively looking for writers. You can create a profile showcasing your skills and start bidding on projects. As you gain more experience and build a portfolio, you can begin to charge premium rates for your services. The more you write, the more clients you serve, the more you will be able to increase your rates. One of the most appealing aspects of freelancing writing is its flexibility. You can work from anywhere in the world, set your own schedule, and choose which projects you want to work on. Whether you're a blogger, a marketing expert, or a social media strategist, there is always a demand for high quality content. If you are willing to put in the effort to improve your writing skills and learn the ins and outs of the freelancing world, this could easily become a consistent source of income. If you are someone who organized, detail-oriented, and great at multitasking, becoming a virtual assistant could be the ideal business for you to start in 2025. With the increasing demand of remote work, many entrepreneurs and small businesses are looking for administrative support, but they often don't have the budget or resources to hire a full-time employee. This creates a perfect opportunity for you to step in and provide valuable services as a VA. As a virtual assistant, you can offer a wide variety of services depending on your skills and interests. Email management, scheduling, social media management, data entry, customer service, or even handling basic bookkeeping are just a few examples of tasks businesses need help with. The best part, you can work from anywhere. All you need is a computer and internet access. This means you have the flexibility to run your business from home, a co-working space, or even while traveling. Another significant advantage of becoming a VA is the ability to choose your hours. Whether you want to work part-time or a full-time, you can set your schedule based on your lifestyle. Additionally, you have the freedom to set your rates. As you gain more experience, you can increase your pricing and specialize in higher demand services. The demand for virtual assistants is growing rapidly as more businesses move online and require support for remote operations. If you are ready to leverage your organization skills and provide essential support to businesses, becoming a VA could offer you a steady income with the freedom to work on your own terms. If you have ever wanted to get into e-commerce without the hassle of managing inventory or shipping, dropshipping is the perfect business model for you. Dropshipping allows you to set up an online store and sell products without ever physically handling them. Here is how it works. When a customer purchases a product from your store, the order is sent directly to the supplier, who ships the product directly to the customer. This means you never have to worry about storing products, managing stock, or dealing with logistics. The biggest benefit of dropshipping is that it allows you to start your online store without any upfront investment in inventory. You only pay for the products you sell, so you don't need to risk your money on products that might not sell. Your main focus is on marketing and driving traffic to your store. You can sell a wide range of products, from gadgets and accessories to apparel and beauty items, all without worrying about the back-end logistics. With platforms like Shopify and Obalo, setting up your dropshipping businesses has never been easier. This platform allows you to easily create an online store, find suppliers, and integrate everything into one simple system. The tools are designed for beginners and make it straightforward to start selling. What is great about dropshipping is that it's scalable. As your business grows, you can easily add more products and find more suppliers to expand your offerings. The flexibility to work from anywhere combined with minimal startup costs makes dropshipping an attractive option for entrepreneurs looking to enter the e-commerce world. Well, there you have it. 8 genius business idea for 2025 that you can start with $0. Whether you want to work behind the scene, create content, or invest in land, there is something for everyone. But the real question is, which one are you going to try? I want to know what you think. Drop a comment below. Let me know which ideas stand out to you. Don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and share it with someone who needs to see it. I'm Richard, and I see you in the next one. Let's make 2025 your best year yet. You welcome.